The next topic is various types of matrices. Now, first of all, I defined a row matrix. Okay, row matrix, a matrix contains only one row. Okay, only one row. It is called a row matrix, or it is also known as row vector. Row matrices are also known as row vector in research and development topic. Row matrices are also known as row vector. Now take an example. A is equal to, the matrix contains only one row. Only one row means, let us suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are only one row, there is only one row and 4 vertical lines. That is why it is 1 cross 4. So this is a row matrix. Now again, this is 0, 0. That is 1 cross 2. It is also a row matrix or a row vector. Any matrix which contain only one row is called a row matrix. Similarly, column matrix. Column matrix, which contains only one column. Only one column is known as column matrix or column vector. It is also known as column vector. So let us suppose V is any matrix. Okay, so contain only one column. For example, A, B, C. This is 3 cross 1. This is a column matrix. Okay. Now the third one is null matrix. Null matrix or zero matrix. A null matrix, what is null matrix? Any matrix whose each and every element is 0. Okay, the value of element is 0. Okay, so now let us suppose A is a element. Every element is 0 here. This is of order 2 cross 3. B, this is 0, 0, 0 of order 3 cross 1. This is also a null matrix. C, 0, 0, 0, 0, that is of order 2 cross 2. This is a null matrix or zero matrix whose each and every element is 0. Okay. Now the next one is square matrix. A square matrix. Any matrix is called a square matrix where the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Number of rows is equal to the number of columns. If number of rows and columns are same, a matrix of order m cross n. If m and n are distinct, this is called a rectangular matrix. If m is equal to n, it is called a square matrix. Okay, for example, A is equal to A, B, C, D. This is of order 2. Number of rows 2, number of column 2. That is why A is a square matrix of order 2. Okay. Now, the next one is diagonal element. Diagonal elements. What are diagonal elements? Now, take any square matrix A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Now, this is A11, A22 and this is A33. This is called principal diagonal or principal diagonal. So diagonal elements are Diagonal elements are A, E and I. These are called the diagonal elements. Okay, where I is equal to J. Let us suppose Aij is the general element of matrix A. So Aij is called diagonal element if I is equal to J. For every Ij, I is equal to J, so the elements are called diagonal elements. Okay. The next one is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Let A be a square matrix of order n. Okay, it is called a diagonal matrix if A is called a diagonal matrix if the value of Aij is equal to 0 if I is not equal to J. So the value of non-diagonal elements are all 0. So this is called a diagonal elements. For example, A is equal to this one. A, B, C, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is called a diagonal matrix of order 3 cross 3. So it is also written as matrix, diagonal matrix. DIAG, diagonal. A element is A, B, C of order 3 cross 3. So this is a diagonal matrix of order 3 cross 3. Any square matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if its all non-diagonal elements are 0. That is, if the value of Aij is equal to 0, for every I is not equal to J, this is called a diagonal matrix. Okay. Now, identity matrix or a unit matrix. Identity or unit matrix. It is denoted by I. Let us suppose I is a unit matrix or identity matrix of order n. It is called an identity matrix if, let us suppose, Aij is its general element. So it is called an identity matrix if the value of Aij is equal to 1 for every I is equal to J. So all the diagonal elements, the value of all the diagonal element is equal to 1 and 0 for every I is not equal to J. So this is called an identity matrix or a unit matrix. For example, I3 is an identity matrix of order 3. So this is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is called an identity or unit matrix. Okay. Now scalar matrix. What is a scalar matrix? A scalar matrix. Let A be a square matrix of order n cross n. A is called an scalar matrix if Aij is equal to k for every I is equal to j and 0 for every I is not equal to j. So this is called a scalar matrix. Okay. Now upper triangular matrix. Triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. A matrix, let A be a square matrix let A be any square matrix of order n cross n. It is called an upper triangular matrix if Aij is equal to 0 for every I is greater than j. Okay. Now lower triangular matrix. The condition for lower triangular matrix Aij is equal to 0 for every I is less than j. So this is called upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix. A triangular matrix is a matrix which is either upper triangular or a lower triangular matrix. Okay, so these are the various types of matrices. Okay, all right.